Hello everyone, please welcome and join me in these steps cooking. Today I'm going to share with you shrimp curry, and I'm going to make it with bell pepper, capsicum or Simla Mirch. It's very delicious and very tasty. And I'm going to use cooked shrimp. These are clean, deveined, no tail, tail off. They are fully cooked and they are 2 pounds. 1 cup tadka. And how do I make delicious tadka? Please check it out, the link under my description. 1 cup water. 2 tablespoons butter. It's strictly optional. If you are health conscious, please avoid it. 1 tablespoon cumin seed, jeera. Kashmiri mirch, kasuri methi, strictly optional. If you try it, you're going to like it. And I'm going to use 3 different kinds of bell pepper: red, yellow, orange. You can use any color if you prefer green one only, and you can use that too. We have a bell pepper, capsicum, Simla mirch cut into small pieces, all 3 colors. I'm going to get a large mixing bowl. I'll bring 1 tablespoon Kashmiri mirch. Mix it well. And this is going to be our marination. And let's start making our delicious shrimp curry. Get a fry pan and we're going to start gas. And we're going to keep the gas on high. I'll bring olive oil. 1 tablespoon olive oil. You can use any vegetable oil. And butter. As the butter started to melt, I'm going to bring cumin seed. And we're going to cook cumin seed for like 20 to 30 seconds. This is all we need. I'll bring shrimp. Mix it well. The shrimps are pre-cooked. It retains a nice color of Kashmiri mirch and also the butter flavor. So on high gas, we're going to cook for 2 minutes. Cooking our shrimp for 2 minutes along with butter. And in the same pot, I'm going to transport the shrimp out. And we'll use the same fry pan, and I'll bring the tadka. As you know, the tadka is fully cooked. We're just going to make sure that it's nicely warm. I'll bring 1 cup water. Mix it well. So once it's nicely combined, we cover with the lid, and we're going to bring the tadka to boil. The tadka has started to boil. Mix it well. I'll bring shrimp. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, I'll bring the temperature, the gas to medium. Cover with the lid, and we're going to cook it for 5 minutes so that the shrimp can soak all the flavor from gravy. Cooking for 5 minutes on medium gas. Mix it well. After mixing it well, I'll bring bell pepper, capsicum. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, I'll bring 1 tablespoon kasuri methi. 1 teaspoon dry cilantro. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, spread it evenly. Cover with the lid, and we're going to cook it for 5 minutes on medium gas. On medium gas, cooking for 5 minutes. Let's start the fan. I'll open it. Mix it well. Our delicious shrimp curry with bell pepper is all ready, and I'll dish out. Shrimp with the bell pepper or Simla Mirch capsicum is all ready, and it's very tasty and it's super delicious. Garnish with cilantro, which is a dhania, and this is a perfect dish. Enjoy it with the rice pulao. This is very easy to make, and it's very tasty and super delicious. I hope you like this dish. If you like it, like always, like, share, and subscribe. Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you, and have a good day. Bye-bye.